Gang, I'm getting in aggressively, gang, and this is how I trade. I'm confident with my trading strategy. I know my trading strategy works. I get in that great trade one at 1891, and I'm riding it from take profit 9 to take profit 10. Like I said, as soon as I see sellers are losing momentum and losing pressure, and I see buyers are gaining momentum, I'm getting in. I'm looking for buys, and we're getting in. And if we see gold heading up, and we see yellow candlesticks letting us know that gold is heading up, I'm getting in. I'm getting in as soon as I see it happening. I'm not waiting for price to go all the way, break above, take profit 9. Like I have to wait for price to break above, take profit 9. Like this is more the conservative way to wait for price to break above, take profit 9, and you can get in at 1895, and you could have rolled it from 1895 all the way up to 1890, 1904. Take profit 10. You could have rolled this all the way up to here. And still had made a couple thousand, a couple hundred easily. Once you're familiar with your pair and you know your pair, like I know my pair, I know how gold likes to move. I'm getting in aggressively. I'm getting in confidently. I'm not waiting for price to break above, take profit 9. Like I'm not waiting for price to break above, take profit 9. I see this hammer pattern, boom. I know that means that buyers, sellers try to push price down and buyers push price back up. And I'm getting in that great trade one at 1891, and I'm riding this up, and I'm riding this all the way up to take profit 10. The conservative way is to wait for price to break above take profit 9, as that gives you a more confirmation that price is going to take profit 10. And price goes right to take profit 10, gang. As soon as price gets to take profit 10, you can get out the trade. As price doesn't have to go to 27 extension, and we can draw another Fibonacci from here to here. From this is the lowest point now that price went to, and we can draw this right to take profit 10. Right to take profit 10, boom. And what does price do? Price goes right to take profit 10, boom, and we're out the trade. Goes right to 0, close enough to 27 extension, and we're out this trade, boom, right here. It could draw a little bit lower, boom, and it goes right to what, 27 extension, 1905, boom, and we get out the trade. As price can reverse, it can reverse back down, it can do anything, game. So, we can even draw our Fibonacci right to take profit 10, 1905, boom, and we're out this trade. As soon as price hits to take profit 10, if we trade from take profit to take profit, as soon as price gets to take profit 10, take profit, take profit, I want you to take profit, you don't have to ride this all the way up to this 27 extension as you can. You don't have to, you can, as soon as price, you can have draw another Fibonacci, and as soon as price gets to take profit 10, 27 extension, boom, 1905, boom, you could have took profit from great trade one at 1891 all the way up to 27 extension, boom, and took profit, and got out the trade. Still made a couple thousand, a couple hundred, depending on your lot size, easily, easily. But the whole point, game, is to get in aggressive. You want to get in aggressive. You want to be confident and get in aggressive, knowing that your trading strategy works. Sticking to your trading strategy, knowing that your trading strategy works, as you want to find the best possible entry. We want to find the best possible entries that we can find. As soon as I see gold heading up, I'm getting in, to maximize profit, from Great Trade 1 right to 1891, right to 27 extension 1905, take profit 10. As soon as I see that happening, I'm getting in aggressively, and I'm getting in confidently. That's the type of trader that I am. I'm a confident trader, and as soon as I see price getting in, I'm not hesitating. I'm trusting my strategy, my trading strategy. I'm sticking to my trading plan, and I'm entering for a buy. And I'm entering for a buy, gang. So be confident, and get in for a trade. Get in for that trade. And this is how I trade, gang. I'm getting in for confident, for entries, get in for entries confidently, as we're trying to get the best entries as possible, so price went right to 27 extension, boom, we're out the trade, we're out this trade. So if price is going up, I'm getting in for a buy. As soon as I see gold heading up, I'm getting in for a buy. As soon as I see price making a higher high, and I see price making a higher low, and I see price making a higher high, I'm getting in for a buy, and we're riding this right to take profit 10, 27 extension. As soon as I see price heading up and I see price heading back up after making this hammer, that's when the sellers try to push price down and the price and buyers push price back up. I'm getting in for a buy. As soon as I see price making a higher high back up and I see yellow candlesticks heading back up. I'm getting in for a buy, gang. You know, trend line, candlesticks are above this trend line, right, to take profit 10. You know, depending on your lot size from Great Trade 1 to 1891 to 1905 could have been easily 5,000, 7,000, you know, a couple hundred easily, you know. So get in aggressively, gang. Get in confidently, gang. Trust your strategy, and you know, and this is how I trade, gang. I trade confidently. You know, I'm getting confident, and this is how I trade, gang. You know, this is how I trade. You know, as price can do anything. When price gets to take profit 10, it can do anything. You know. So draw your Fibonacci. You could have drawn another Fibonacci from this hammer at 1888. I mean 1889 and drew it right to take profit 10. You know, right to take profit 10, boom, right to 27 extension, and we're out this trade. You know, price doesn't have to go all the way up to 1911. You know, so that's what I have for you, gang. You know, right now, just trust your trading strategy, be confident, do not hesitate, and get in for a buy. You know, get in for this trade. You know, and go heading up. You know, right to 27 extension, boom, we're out the trade. You know, as soon as price gets to 27 extension right here, 1905, we're out the trade, you know, and this is how I trade, gang. This is how I trade, you know. So this is my best advice for you, gang. It's just to get in confidently as soon as you see price heading up, you know, as you want to get in for the best entry as you can, you know, as possible, you know. So that's what I will do, gang, you know, as you know, I like to get in aggressively, you know, as soon as I see gold heading up, I'm getting in aggressively. I'm familiar with my pair, and you know, I'm trusting my trading strategy, and I'm being confident, you know, and I'm being confident. I'm not losing confidence, you know, over one trade, you know, and hesitating now because I lost confidence over one trade. Like, no, I'm sticking to my trading strategy. I know my trading strategy works. You know, I get in at the low, you get in that for a buy, at the bottom. This is where you make the most money. At the bottom of an uptrend, this is where you make the most money, and you ride it up to the high. You ride it from take profit to take profit. So when price goes to take profit 9, it's going to take profit 10. You know, it's going to take profit 10. Boom, made a higher high, right to take profit 10. Boom, and we're out this trade. You know, so gang, you know, this is how I trade, game. And you know, I hope these videos help, gang. I hope these videos help. Take these trading strategies, you know, as all these videos are for your psychology, you know. So this is Psychology 101, how to understand entries and how to make millions in this market. Gang, you know. So I got you, gang. I hope these videos help, you know, and study these videos, and I'll be dropping a lot of more content on you, gang, to help with your psychology. You know, so price went right to take profit 10. You don't have to wait for price to go to 27 extension. They drew another Fibonacci right to take profit 10, and price goes right to, you know, 27 extension, boom, and we could have got out this trade, you know. If we're right, or you know, some traders are still in this trade, you know, we're out this trade. So when the price got to take profit 10, 27 extension, boom, we're out this trade, you know. And we made what, 3 grand, 5 grand, you know, 10 grand, you know, that fast, you know, and we're out this trade, and I just got 10 grand, 2 grand, you know, 5 grand, and it's that easy, gang. You know, the more that you trade, the more confident you'll be able to get. You'll be, you know, so I'm giving you all these videos to, you know, help with your confidence so you can get in this market and make millions in this market, gang. So I hope these videos help, gang, and I'll be dropping a lot of more content for you. All right, gang. So get in confidently, gang. Get in confidently as soon as you see price heading up, as soon as you see gold heading up, you know, and you see price making a higher high, get it in, you know, get in, you know, you don't have to wait for price to break above, take profit 9, you know, this is more the conservative way. Wait for price to break above, take profit 9, and then you could have got in, you know, at 1894, 1895, and rolled this all the way up to 1905. So gang, you know, I hope these videos help. It's your boy Nature, aka Nature. Gang.